So just a quick tip. When you're using a little ratchet like this is, I think, a 1/4 inch. You never use this to torque the bolts, okay? You use this just to take up the slack. If you want to torque the bolts, you must use the Allen key, or you must use a this thing. The term has eluded me, but you don't use the ratchet to actually tighten the bolt, because what you could end up doing is breaking the teeth inside the ratchet. I've seen a lot of guys also, like on YouTube and whatever, they use this and then they put a pipe on it to obviously lengthen it. Right, so that's a bad idea, because you're gonna, like I say, you're gonna end up shearing the teeth inside the ratchet. And that goes for any ratchet, the big ones, everything. It's just really good practice to use this to take up the slack, and then you use the T-bar to actually tighten it, or with the torque wrench, whatever you're doing. So in this case, we're going to use the T-bar.